Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Moz for AI-driven keyword opportunity reports, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To update Moz for AI-driven keyword opportunity reports, begin by logging into your Moz account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find an overview of your current projects. Select the project for which you want to generate the keyword opportunity report. Once in the project, locate the Keyword Explorer tool in the left sidebar menu. Click on Keyword Explorer to access the keyword research features. In the search bar, enter the primary keyword or topic you want to analyze. Press Enter or click the search icon to initiate the keyword analysis process. After the results load, review the list of suggested keywords related to your initial search. To focus your analysis further, apply any relevant filters available. These filters might include search volume, keyword difficulty, and organic click-through rate. Once you have filtered the results, look for the section labeled Opportunities. Here, the AI-driven insights will display potential. Click on any keyword to see a detailed breakdown, including SRP analysis and recommendations. Take note of the keywords with high opportunity scores for your content strategy. You can export this data by selecting the Export option, often represented by an icon. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel, for easy access and manipulation. After exporting, review the data in your spreadsheet software to plan your content effectively. Finally, implement your findings into your SEO strategy to enhance your website's visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.